YouTube, it's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers and all my old girls. Thank y'all for sticking around and, hanging with your girl. The lipstick, this is, I know somebody want to know, Pat McGrath's Lip Trance. I can't remember the name. If I find it, I'll stick it in the video somewhere. I'll go look on the thing and let y'all know what it is. It's a funny name. I can't remember it. But anyway, this is my, what month is this? March Sipsby box for all my fellow tea lover friends out there. Let's cut in here and see what we got for this month. Y'all, I tried. One of my subscribers told me they put cream in their tea, and I tried it. I frothed it, some heavy cream, and put it in my tea, y'all, and it was so good. It was good. Okay, let me tell you what we got here. This is March tea made for Raquel. Each box is customized just for you based on your choices because you get to choose. Did I tell y'all this is a monthly subscription tea box? It's $15 a month. If I didn't, it is. And you get to go on the site and choose what kind of teas you like. Whether you want caffeinated, decaffeinated, no calf, low calf, whatever you want, you choose. And then they will create your box every month just for you based on your choices. So let's hop into this box. Ooh, I'm happy with the first one I see. Stash Super Mint. Let me see what this is. It says Super Mint Tea by Tea. It's Stash Tea. That's the company. It's caffeine free. Grown in Stash Tea, Pacific Northwest backyard. Wild mint has a high menthol content, which makes Super Mint a uniquely cooling and delicious tea. And again, there is a coupon code if you decide, if you get this box and there's any teas on here that you receive, it's going to be a coupon code so you can go order that tea from the tea's website. And there is a 20% off one for this one. So that would be Stash Tea. It's a 20% off code for that. And this is Super Mint. Super Minty. Okay. All right. If y'all couldn't see from back there, let me bring it up. That's what it looks like. And you get 4 samples of that. Okay. The next tea I see sitting here is Davidson's Organic Rich and Delicious Black Tea. So this is what the packaging looks like on that. And it says Earl Grey Davidson's Organic Tea. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water. High caffeine Earl Grey is said to have been created for the second Earl of Grey in the 1800s. This black tea is sourced from family tea gardens in the Jalindhar Assam region of India. It came from India, y'all, whatever I just said. And 20% off here for this tea. And you can get it at davidstea.com. I'm just saying, when you get this box, you get the sample before you buy, and you get 20% off. I ain't going to keep saying it. I'm just saying. I'm not going to say it no more. I promise. I'm going to try not to, okay? If you like tea, that's a big deal. Oh, pure white tea with cranberry. Now this one I am excited about. Let me let y'all see what these looks like. You get 4 of these. 4 of each one usually as well. This says pure white tea with cranberry. It's by Breweries. I can't say it, y'all. Low caffeine white tea. It's lower in caffeine and naturally rich in antioxidants. This cranberry is a perfect complement to this tea, adding a bright fruity character and an appealing aroma. Again, there's a coupon code if you order this from Brewery Irish Imports. It smells good. It smells good. White tea, natural flavor with cranberry. Okay, it smells really good. I can't see what's on the back of there. But yeah, this is going to be the first one I try. I like that. And our last teas we have in here are, sweet ginger peach black tea. Ooh, now that looks good. Okay, let me get it up here. That's what they look like. And it says Revolution Tea. 1 sachet per 8 ounce. High caffeine sweet ginger peach black tea. Features premium loose leaf, asham, and Ceylon, Ceylon, okay? Black teas. Hand blended with fresh peaches and Indian ginger to produce a fruity, invigorating aroma. Coupon code for the website to get money off if I like this tea and I can order it. Oh, this smells good. The ginger and the peach. Okay, maybe this is gonna be my first tea sample, but yeah, I got 4 of them, and if I like it, I can get 15% off and order it from revolutiontea.com. But I get the 15% off my first order. I'm just saying, if you drink tea and you like tea, other than just saying, oh, I can just go buy a box of Lipton tea, you can. But if you like variety in your tea, girl, this is it. What's in here? Oh, just a card from Davidson's and a card from Stash. This is the kind of tea we use at work. Ooh, they got a lot. Bergamot. We got the spearmint in my box, but they got bergamot tea, strawberry pomegranate. They got a lot of different flavors by this Stash Tea Company. Okay, guys, ain't no sense in me keeping you guys any longer. This was just a real short video on my box by Sipsby this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to drag it on and keep on talking, but I will see you guys real soon in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. All right, bye, guys.